Lift the lock lever to the unlocked position. Fold out the crank handle and open the window. Use a small flat blade screwdriver to loosen the handle set screw. Remove the handle from the operator stud. Use a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver to loosen the screw in the knob pocket of the Roto cover. Remove the cover. Position the cover in place over the operator stud and position the pocket end of the cover into place. Insert the provided screw into the hole in the bottom of the pocket. Use a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver to secure the pocket screw snug against the bottom of the pocket to avoid scratching the crank handle knob. Do not over-tighten. Position the crank handle onto the operator stud. Crank the window closed. Lock the window by pushing the lock lever down. Fold the crank handle down to confirm knob alignment with the pocket. If necessary, reposition the crank handle on the stud so the crank handle knob aligns with the cover knob pocket. Use a small size flat blade screwdriver to tighten the crank handle set screw. Fold the crank over and snap the knob into the pocket.